Welcome to our exclusive home theater video guide series to help find solutions that are right for you. Today is all about TVs and projectors. First, let's take a look at TVs. The technology used in TVs nowadays is almost exclusively LED, which stands for light emitting diode. This technology is more energy efficient and brighter, which makes TVs better for areas that are well lit, like a living room with a lot of windows. They have a range of sizes up to 85 inches and larger and can be mounted to just about any surface. They even make outdoor rated TVs that are weatherproof, dustproof, and can withstand extreme temperatures, and are designed with an even brighter picture to compete with the sun. When combined with an outdoor soundbar, it provides a complete outdoor experience no matter what the weather is. There are two main types of TV technologies, LED and OLED. There's a ton of information out there regarding this technology, but here's the main difference. LED or QLED TVs are backlit, meaning the light source is behind the pixels and is always on. This provides a bright picture but doesn't quite provide those deep blacks and super saturated colors. OLED TVs, on the other hand, are made up of individual pixels that have their own light source. This means that when a section of the picture is dark, the pixels turn completely off, emitting no light whatsoever. This is how you can get the best of both worlds: bright, vivid picture with saturated colors and infinitely deep blacks. OLED TVs are typically more expensive than LED and QLED TVs for this reason. But if picture quality and performance is important to you and you have the budget for it, we highly recommend an OLED TV. Now let's take a closer look at projectors. Projectors are your go-to solution if you want to go big. They can provide a great picture that's well over 100 inches, which makes them perfect for a more cinematic experience. Projectors perform best in areas where the light can be well controlled, and they must be combined with a good quality screen to get the best picture. A projector's light source can be lamp or laser-based. Lamp-based projectors use traditional bulb-type technology to project the picture. This technology provides a big, bright, high-definition picture, but the bulbs take longer to turn on and eventually need to be replaced, usually after about 3,000 hours, which typically makes these projectors more affordable. Laser-based projectors use colored lasers to project the picture. They provide a bright picture with better contrast between the lights and darks and more saturated colors. They turn on to full brightness almost instantly and can last up to 20,000 hours. Laser light sources are also found in ultra-short throw projectors, where you can place the projector just inches away from the screen and still get a picture over 100 inches, which is perfect for smaller spaces. No matter what technology or style projector, they always need to be paired with the screen. This will help reflect light back to your eyes and provide a better picture. Screens can be fixed to the wall or motorized in order to not be seen when not in use. High-quality screens can have ambient light rejection. That helps keep any light in the room from interfering with the picture, and can even be acoustically transparent. That allows you to place speakers behind the screen and still hear and see everything perfectly. We hope this was helpful to you, and by all means, please reach out to us for more information. We would be happy to help you. Feel free to follow us on social media, and thanks for watching.